Hello everyone, I am Ojasvi Tudvekar. I am an UG student from GMIT Institute of Technology from the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. Today my topic is palatal rugae as a parameter in identification of human being using image processing. International Journal of Science and Research has given me an opportunity to do a presentation based on my topic. Now let's start. Introduction. In this world of simulation, the identity of an individual is always questionable in situations of mass massacres and disasters. Establishing a person's identity can be a very difficult process in forensic identification. DNA comparisons are the most common techniques used. However, since they cannot always be used, sometimes simple techniques can be successfully used in human identification, such as palatal rugoscopy, which is study of palatal rugae. Palatal rugae have been equated with the fingerprints and are unique to an individual. Their resistance to trauma and their apparent unique appearance has suggested their use as a tool for forensic identification. The palatal rugae pattern can act as a fingerprint in identification of person. Analysis of a palatal rugae combined with other methods is important alternative and complementary technique for human identification. Problem statement. What we had decided to do in this paper or project is to implement the techniques of image processing to enhance the pattern of palatal rugae. The uniqueness of palatal rugae pattern can be utilized similar to fingerprints, and when combined with other methods, it can help in the identification of a person. Thus, these unique characteristics of palatal rugae can be studied and can be enhanced using image processing and can be used as identity for each individual. By using the data samples of palettes of different individuals, uniqueness of the identity can be recognized. The image processing techniques can be applied to these data samples to get the desired result. Now, what methodology we had used is to collect the data samples, to use the pre-processing steps on them, to manual segmentation to get the ROI, to calculate the feature, that is area, and to compare the feature values of other different samples and get the output that is different from each other. Data samples. The dataset consists of 20 subjects, that is persons, images. Maxillary impressions were made onto the cast. Rugae patterns were traced very finely. Patterns are analyzed with a digital camera, and what resolution we had taken for the clear and crisp image is the 5184 into 3456. Now let's discuss about the problems in collecting the data samples. The data samples must be collected from the dentist. It should be cleaned. It must be traced very finely to get an accurate result. These can be the most difficult problems when collecting the data samples. Pre-processing steps. In pre-processing steps, the first method is to read an image into the workspace. The next is the image enhancement process for the further image analysis. You can remove noise, sharpen or brighten an image, making it easier to identify key features. The steps what we have taken to enhanced filtered image are histogram equalization. In the first image, we can see the histogram graph of an image in which the intensity values is not matching at all. But when we apply the histogram equalization process on the image, then the intensity levels are at the peak and at the correct levels. So it helps in analysis of an image and improves the brightness of the image and shows the frequency of a pixel's intensity values in the image. Now, what we do is the converting an histogram image, that is RGB image, into the grayscale image. This process converts RGB image to grayscale by eliminating the hue and saturation information while retaining the luminance. Advantages of this method is to object detection can be well obtained, reduce computational complexity by making an image 3D to 2D. Now, next step what we had used is median filter, used to reduce noise. It's a kind of smoothing technique and edges are given importance while filtering, and this is the main reason why we had preferred this technique to be used. Now let's see the grayscale image is converted to median filtered image, how it looks. The images are sharp and clear in the median filtered image, and the edges are clear so that we can calculate the region of interest very easily. Now, cropping function is used to crop the image to get the region of interest and calculate the area and removing the other parts of the image. Image tool associated with image displayed. Based on the region of interest identified using segmentation, ImCrop creates an interactive crop function which has copy position, set color, fixed aspect ratio, crop image, etc. In this, we use a crop image to cut the region of interest for our use. Conversion of gray to black and white. Next step of our process is to conversion of gray image, what we had taken as ROI, and convert it to a binary image, that is black and white image, using the IMBinarize function. Which what it does is it fixes all the values above globally determined threshold with ones and setting all other values to zeros. Now let's talk about the calculation of area of palatal Ruge pattern, the algorithm what we had developed. First take an input the binary image, that is the BW image of the region of interest palatal Ruge pattern. Output what we get is the area of the ROI, that is palatal Ruge pattern pixels. Invert the black and white. In the first step we try to invert the black and white image, that is the black and white pixels are inverted, that is the black is converted to white and the white is converted to black, so that at last we can take the white count of the image. And then rows and columns are calculated using size function, size of BW. Black and white pixels count is initialized to 1. In the next step, use the for loop to iterate to the last row and use another for loop inside the first for loop to iterate till the last column, that is for j equals to 1 to last column C. Then if BW, that is the image of ij, equals to 0, that is the black pixel count, increase the black pixel count by 1 and increment the white pixel count by 1. Else increment the white pixel count by 1. Print the white pixel count area of palatal Ruge pattern. What it does is we had converted the black and white pixels, and then the black pixels are converted into white, and white pixel count is taken as the area count. After the calculation of area of each sample, the next step is to compare each calculated area with other obtained area values, that is area of other samples. Now this is the calculated area of the workspace what we had used. The original image we can see at the right top corner, left top corner, and the right top corner takes a grayscale image, and the lowest image is the white and black cropped image. We take the white pixel count of this image, and then we take an area, calculate an area, and the area is shown at the middle, that is the white pixel count. The results are shown here. Areas of the samples from 1 to 20 are different, and it is proved with the help of a Python program, taking a list, putting the values of all the calculated areas in the list, and then to calculate it in a different ways. The same has been presented in this above table. Conclusion. In the present project work, we have palatal Ruge, which is unique identity of an individual present in an upper jaw of a mouth. The work has been done under the supervision of dental expert to understand the dental issues related to the palatal Ruge. The process of sample collection has been done by the dentist. A total of 200 samples were collected for the process. Out of 200 samples, the best 20 samples were selected for the computational algorithmic process. The total area in which the shapes are present was computed to obtain the region of interest. Algorithmic for computing has been presented. Further, the samples were compared to identify the matching distinct property between all the samples. This was done using the Python language. The entire process of converting the cropped image to binary image of computation of areas such as area of shape palatal is presented. The overall calculated area for all the 20 samples is presented in the table. This clearly indicates that the overall area of each sample, that is a human identification, is distinct and clearly separable. This also indicates the uniqueness of every individual. Outcome of all the samples can be grouped based on age, gender, which depends on the shapes present in the palatal Ruge. Thank you.